Alrighty, guys, got the double espresso on deck. Happy Saturday. I appreciate you all for tuning in as always, and I'm ready to break down 5 oversold stocks in this video that I'm watching for next week. We have to break down the charts, entry exit points, what I'm looking to do. But first, guys, of course, hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, and get up to 15 stocks from Moo. Once you open up your account using that link down below and fund it with at least $100, you get 5 stocks and a $30 cash reward, and fund your account with at least $1,000, you get 10 more stocks, and overall for now your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, this deal is a no-brainer and the clock's ticking, so use that link down below or simply go to stocksurfast.com/moo. And with that being said, cheers, let's get right into the video. So, oversold stocks. We haven't covered a video talking about oversold stocks in a while. I used to make this video all the time going over oversold stocks out there that I'm watching, and I might bring it back every Saturday. We'll see. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about this type of video. But yeah, let's get into it with stock number 1 being Airbnb, ticker symbol ABNB. And this stock just reported, or the company reported earnings, and their stock went down big time. And there's been a lot of volatility with Airbnb stock all year. I mean, look, earlier in the year, it was at $170 back in March. Then it got down to $108, big drop. Then we started uptrending a bit to about $150. We got all the way to $165 after earnings, and now we're back to $134. So yeah, needless to say, Airbnb, the stock's been all over the place, and you can see they reported earnings on Thursday after the bell. The stock actually got to $167. Oh my goodness. But then it looks like as the conference call played out, we gave back all of that gain and then went red. Pretty crazy. So we popped up a good chunk after the bell, after earnings. Then we gave it all back. And now we're at a point where we're pretty oversold. We're right around the 180 SMA right now. The uptrend, by the way, guys, is clearly still holding. We're holding this trend. So I'm looking to see, all right, do buyers come in here? Do we bounce off 130, 135, which we're there now, right above the 180 SMA? I think we're due for a relief rally, especially after going down 9% on Friday. I think we are due for some sort of bounce. And the earnings, I mean, I think they missed on one of the metrics, but they weren't bad. Or I guess they missed on both. Okay. GAAP EPS, $2.13 versus $2.16. All right, that missed. Sales missed slightly as well, 3.7 versus 3.72 billion. But their guidance, let's see here, guys, was decent. It looks like here they see Q4 24 revenue, 2.39 to 2.44 billion. Okay. But yeah, the stock, I think, got hit a bit too hard. Too hard for, I don't think it was warranted, in other words. So let's see if we get buyers to come in and start the bounce at that 130, 135 level on Airbnb. BBY is another one, Best Buy, that I'm looking at heading into earnings right now, and I'm like, this is just way too beaten down. And the chart looks pretty good, right? We're down about, 15% right now heading into earnings. And although we are under both moving averages on the 4-hour chart right here, we are still maintaining an uptrend. You guys see we are oversold on the RSI, or else it wouldn't be in this video, right? And we're at the bottom of the channel, which has held time and time again throughout the pullbacks that we've seen, right? You guys see, this has been a buy zone. Every time BBY has come to the bottom of this channel, you guys see it right here. And if I pull up this 3-year or maybe even the 1-year chart, guys, look, we're above the 180 SMA on the 1-year. Uptrend is intact. This spot looks like we could see a bounce. We could see a bounce off the spot. But earnings are coming up, so who knows? Earnings are, I think, at the end of this month. Yeah, 26th of November. So we actually have 2-3 weeks left till earnings. So maybe we get a bounce into earnings. So I'm going to set my alert on this one at $90. Mark is at or above, and we'll see exactly how it plays out. If we start pushing 90, 92, over 95 even, that'd be a huge break. That'd be a confirmation that, yeah, this thing might want to go back to $100 per share. So Micron is stock number 3, ticker symbol MU, which you guys probably saw. This stock got cut in half from $158 to $84. It was not a pretty couple months there, but now since that point, we have consolidated a bit, and now we're starting to push back up. And after earnings came out a couple weeks ago, momentum has slowly started building up for the bulls here. In fact, we have an ascending triangle right now here on the 4-hour chart. You guys see the clear resistance at 115. We hit that end of September, middle October. Also, literally a couple days ago, early November, we hit it. So we have a triple top, it looks like, but at the same time, we're making higher lows into that, and we're pushing, 112, 13 right now, right at that resistance. So Micron, guys, could be getting ready to do something like that. If the triangle plays out, we could really start building momentum here. So I'm going to set my alert at $113 per share. I'll do another one at $115 per share. Mark is at or above. There we go. I'm telling you guys, the breakout could be right around the corner. This stock has been way too beaten down, and I don't think it's going to last. I don't think it's going to last. So let me know your thoughts in the comments about Micron now, stock number 4. Actually, wait, before we do that, make sure to sign up to the email list. It's free. I'm sending you guys my top 3 stocks every Monday right to your inbox. Just put your first name and your email address using that link in the description box. Again, it's free, no spam and no BS. And feel free to check out the Patreon if you guys want to see me build out my private portfolio, all the moves I'm making, trades I'm doing, Discord chat. I post all my charts and ideas throughout the week. All of that's on Patreon, and that's also linked down below. Or go to StockSurfest.com/Patreon. I'll see you guys on the inside there. Cheers, by the way. Thanks for all the new members that have been joining. Stock number 4 is Home Depot, ticker symbol HD, which they're reporting earnings this week, it looks like. Yeah, on the 12th, which that might be on... Yeah, that's on Tuesday. 11th is Monday. So HD, Home Depot, Tuesday morning earnings. And guys, this stock looks like it's already breaking out. We got a bit oversold from 420 down to about 380. We dropped $40 or about 10%. We got into correction territory. And now as of Friday, we broke out of both moving averages on the 4-hour chart. We actually gapped above them, and we closed above the highs from earlier in the week. So HD, guys, to me, clearly uptrends continuing. But if we zoom in a little bit, now we can see a breakout is occurring. Do you guys see it right here? We're popping out of the moving averages, like I said, and we broke out of the highs from earlier last week. This looks really good heading into earnings. So I wanted to put it on your radar as earnings are coming up, but of course, as we're still kind of oversold here and in the midst of a breakout. So keep your eyes on Home Depot and McDonald's, 2 Dow Jones stocks here, guys. MCD is also pretty beaten down after getting, quite honestly, overbought when it got to 320. You guys see that right here. It got to 320, fell down to about 280. Now we're consolidating a bit. We have been for about, what, 2 weeks at this point, at about 295, 300. So I'm going to set my alert at $300, guys. If we're able to get out of there, start seeing momentum above 300, 305, that's where the continuation could come here. The breakout, maybe a push back to 310, 315 is what we could see from there. So yeah, what do you guys think? Those are the 5 oversold stocks I'm watching right now. Heading into this week, we have Airbnb, BBY, Best Buy, Micron, MU, Home Depot, ticker symbol HD, and of course McDonald's, ticker symbol MCD. So what do you guys think? Add these to your watch list. Don't buy them based on this video, though. I'm not a financial advisor. Make sure to hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe and get up to 15 stocks from Moomoo. Once you guys open up your account and fund it with at least $100, you get 5 stocks and a $30 cash reward, and fund your account with at least $1,000, you get 10 more stocks, and overall, for now, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, this is the best deal on the market right now, so check out the link down below, or go to StockSurfFest.com/Moomoo. Get your money. And of course, that is an affiliate link. I appreciate the support as always, guys. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you in the next video.